for a mad one today. Welcome back to my channel. I'm Carlos and today we're going to be going out in the Toyota Starlet. If you're new to the channel, consider subscribing and also check out the project videos that we've got for the 20 valve turbo. This week we're going to be doing some big kind of things with that, so that's going to be crazy, and we're going to be doing some welding, cutting, so please consider subscribing and check out the other videos as well. Got loads of more content coming this year, loads of videos, features are going to be coming that are going to be crazy, so make sure you stay tuned. Let's go George actually just loves the Jack Bros, and he's actually low-key just got like better. He's got two that I know of, that's what he says. But yeah, I just don't believe him. I reckon he's got. So it's an EP82. If you've seen the Nissan Pulsar videos, that's on my channel, it's the same owner. If you haven't, go and check it out. So this one's going to be crazy. It's really light and it's a big turbo car as well. So yeah, it's going to be crazy. Stay tuned, let's get it. Calm down, mate.
Come on.
Nah, we tear them up. We weigh about 200 kg.